In this lecture, we will walk through the steps to create paid ads on Instagram in order to promote your t-shirt designs. Creating ads on Instagram is similar to boosting a post on Facebook and is a great way to get your shirts in front of a ton of potential customers. When promoting on Instagram, it is very important to use high quality designs, images, or videos. The Instagram platform focuses mainly on photo and video content, so this is perfect for displaying your shirt design mockups. When someone sees your Instagram ad, they can click the call to action button and be taken directly to your product landing page to make a purchase. Instagram is now actually owned by Facebook, and the two platforms are interconnected. You can add your Facebook content to Instagram and vice versa. This can be very helpful if you wish to create paid ads on both platforms. If you have already saved an audience that has been working well with your Facebook ads, you can actually select the exact same audience for your Instagram ad if you wish. But keep in mind that the audience on Instagram tends to be younger than the Facebook audience, so you may want to adjust your age targeting. So go ahead and grab your smartphone and let's head over to Instagram and take a look at creating paid ads. So here's my personal Instagram page. For this example, let's scroll down and create an ad for a shirt design that I made previously. There we go. So here's one of my designs that was selling pretty well, so I decided to add it onto a hoodie as well. This is actually the Bitcoin symbol, and the niche for this shirt would be in the finance and trading. If you look at the bottom right of the image, you'll see a blue button that says promote. Let's click that now to create an ad for this post. So the first step is going to be to select your destination. You can choose to send people to your Instagram profile, a website, or your direct messages. Since I'm sending people to my shirt landing page, let's select your website. To add your website, go ahead and click edit. From here, you can add your URL and your action button. Up top, you want to place the URL for your shirt design, and you have several options for your button. Since I'm sending people to my site to purchase a shirt, let's select Shop Now. Once you have your link up top and your button selected, go ahead and click Done. Now that we've selected our destination, let's click on Next at the top right. Now you can create your audience. You could select Automatic, which would target people that's similar to the ones that already like your Instagram page. You could also select a previous audience that you've already created on Instagram or on Facebook. But for this example, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Create Your Own to create a brand new audience. So here's where you can create a new audience for your ad. First, let's name our audience so that we can find it later. Next, we're going to select the locations that we want to target. Let's click on Locations now. Go ahead and type in all the locations that your shirt will ship to. You could target regional countries or cities, or you could select the second tab to promote locally as well. As you create your ad, you can look up top to see your potential audience reach, and if it's too broad, too narrow, or just right. When you finish selecting your locations, go ahead and click Done at the top right. Next, we're going to select our audience interest. Let's click the Interest tab here. Go ahead and start typing in the key terms for your niche. As you type in new terms, Instagram will also provide you with suggested interests that you can use as well. Also, as you add new interests, you should see your potential audience reach change up top as well. Try to keep your audience size in the range that says great. Now that I've typed in a few terms, I'm going to look down at the suggested interests and add all the ones that match my target market. Once you finish adding all the interests for your niche, go ahead and click Done at the top right. Next, we're going to select the age and gender for the people that you want to target. To select your age range, use the slider bar here. Your age range will vary depending on your target market. And also keep in mind that the Instagram audience tends to be a little younger. You can also select to target males, females, or both. Once you're finished, go ahead and click Done. So we've just finished creating our brand new audience. Let's click on Done at the top right to finish up with our ad. So now that we've selected our target audience, we can click Next from here. This should take you to the page where you can select your budget and your ad duration. Use the two sliders to select your daily budget and how long you want to run your ad. At the very top, you'll see the total amount that you'll spend over the duration that you select. You can also see the number of people that you'll potentially reach. Once you have your budget and duration, go ahead and click on Next. And there we have it. You've just created your ad. You can now preview your promotion and make sure everything looks correct. If everything looks right, go ahead and click the blue Create Promotion button at the bottom. Your ad should now be sent over to Instagram to be reviewed. Instagram will notify you once it's approved, and your ad will start running to your audience. Once your ad starts running, you can click on View Insights underneath the post to see how your ad is performing. You should use your insights to gather data and create an even more targeted ad next time using the results. In the next lecture, we'll go over how to create paid promotions using Google AdWords. I'll see you in the next video.